finalists in the category of life sciences. Augmentiqs presents Augmentiqs 1000, revolutionizing the microscope with augmented reality. IPG Photonics presents YLPF Flexo, ultra-fast fiber laser, giving scientists extensive flexibility for advanced nonlinear optical applications. From Omnivision, the OVM 6948 camera cube chip, a camera with the world's smallest image sensor.
And today's winner is, let me open this envelope, Augmentiqs Medical.
This is a first-time win for this Israeli company founded in 2016.
Well, thank you so much. Just being chosen as a finalist and being in the same category with IPG and Omnivision has been such a wonderful accomplishment and milestone for us. So being chosen as the winner for the Prism Award is truly a huge honor. Augmentiqs and the concept of augmented reality microscopy was started with the goal of enabling pathologists to access computer-assisted diagnostics and artificial intelligence within their existing microscope-based workflow. So this makes augmented reality microscopy an evolutionary technology where we're incorporating modern capabilities within the existing laboratory infrastructure. We believe that by transforming and upgrading the existing microscopes with modern capabilities while maintaining all the optical and workflow advantages of the microscope, we're going to be able to provide users for the best of both analog and digital and help pathologists reach the best possible outcomes. Our vision has always been to have this technology act as a platform for the deployment of just about any type of software. So we're really hopeful that with this award, more researchers, more pathologists will hear about this and be able to create new methodologies and new capabilities via which augmented reality microscopy can further improve the life sciences and potentially use the system as a springboard for creating complementary technologies which can further enhance microscopy. I would like to start and thank all the pathologists who believed in us. They've integrated our technology within their laboratories and even conducted studies with our technology. Pathology is a rather conservative science, so seeing labs like UPMC use augmented reality for Ki-67 scoring is a powerful validation for a startup. I'd also really like to thank all my colleagues for making this happen, and especially Dan Regelman. Dan is our scientific advisor, and for him, this is actually the second time winning the award. I remember the first time meeting Dan with our investor and explaining my idea for augmented reality microscopy, and Dan looked at us and said, well, it's a nice idea, but don't invest in this because he's not going to be successful. So afterwards, I turned to him and said, listen, I know that I have no chance of doing this, but you could. So let's partner together. And really, with God's help, Dan just broke every record for optics development, creating an incredible device that has simply won over the hearts of pathologists. And finally, I should just also give out a call out to Sujatha and all the folks at the Luminate Optics Accelerator. Augmentiqs was in the accelerator for the second cohort, and this follows Double Helix, which won the award last year, was in the first cohort. So hopefully this will become some type of tradition where the best microscope companies follow this path. So thanks again so much.